When it comes to home improvement projects, one question often arises: is window replacement worth the investment? For homeowners in Sugar Land, Texas, this question is particularly relevant due to the unique climate, growing property values, and the desire for energy efficiency. Replacing windows can seem like a major expense, but the benefits are substantial, making it a worthwhile investment for many homeowners. Here, we explore the reasons why window replacement is an investment worth considering in Sugar Land. Energy efficiency and cost saving. Sugar Land's hot summers and mild winters can cause significant strain on your home's energy efficiency. Old, single-pane windows or poorly sealed windows can allow heat to escape during the winter and let it seep inside during the summer. This can cause your HVAC system to work overtime, leading to higher energy bills. Replacing your old windows with energy-efficient models can significantly reduce the amount of air that leaks in or out of your home. Modern windows feature advanced technologies such as low emissivity, low-E glass coatings, double or triple glazing, and insulated frames, all of which help to maintain a more consistent indoor temperature. With these improvements, you can expect a reduction in your heating and cooling costs, especially during the scorching Texas summers, making window replacement a cost-effective choice in the long run. Enhanced curb appeal and property value. In Sugar Land, where property values continue to rise, homeowners are looking for ways to boost their home's appeal and increase its market value. Windows are one of the most noticeable features of a home's exterior, and old or damaged windows can detract from your property's aesthetic. Replacing your windows with modern, stylish options can dramatically enhance the curb appeal of your home. Whether you choose sleek, contemporary designs or more traditional window styles, new windows can instantly improve the overall look of your house. This improvement can increase the resale value of your home, making it more attractive to potential buyers. If you're planning to sell in the future, window replacement can be a smart move that offers a solid return on investment. Improved comfort. In addition to improving energy efficiency, new windows provide better insulation, making your home more comfortable year-round. Old windows often result in drafts, hot spots, or cold zones within your home. This can be particularly noticeable in rooms that are exposed to direct sunlight, such as living rooms or kitchens. New windows, especially those with thermal insulation, can eliminate these issues, creating a more consistent indoor climate. With new windows, you can enjoy a quieter, more peaceful environment. Many modern windows are designed to reduce outside noise, which is particularly beneficial if your home is near a busy street or if you live in a densely populated area. This added comfort is a key reason many homeowners in Sugar Land invest in window replacements. Security and safety. Old windows can pose a security risk to your home. Broken locks, cracked glass, or faulty frames are more vulnerable to break-ins. If you live in a neighborhood with security concerns, or if you simply want to feel more secure in your home, replacing your windows is a smart investment. Modern windows are equipped with advanced locking systems and stronger materials, making them more secure and resistant to forced entry. Additionally, they offer better protection against harsh weather conditions, including the occasional heavy storms that may occur in Sugar Land. Having reliable, secure windows can provide peace of mind for homeowners and their families. Tax incentives and rebates. In some cases, replacing your windows can also make you eligible for tax credits or rebates. Federal and state incentives often encourage homeowners to invest in energy-efficient home improvements, including window replacements. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, you may qualify for tax deductions or rebates that further reduce the overall cost of the project. Conclusion: window replacement in Sugar Land is more than just an aesthetic upgrade. It's a smart investment that offers energy savings, improved comfort, increased property value, enhanced security, and potential tax benefits. Given the city's climate and growing real estate market, replacing outdated windows can significantly improve the overall quality of your home while also helping you save money in the long term. If you're considering window replacement, it's essential to choose the right materials, design, and contractor for your needs. While the initial cost may seem significant, the return on investment, in terms of energy savings and home value, makes it a decision worth making.